Man, what's good YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It is your boy Vontae1K coming through another video for y'all boys again today, man. As y'all can see, we got the big Lambo Performante style out, man. And I ain't gonna lie, y'all see the title, y'all see the thumbnail, bro. I let my mom drive every single car I ever owned, but man, she's scared of this one, and I don't know why, because I let her drive all my Hellcats, and for some reason she's scared of this little Lambo right here. But man, nevertheless, today I will be letting my mom drive the Lamborghini Huracan, man. And this is like a dream of mine. I don't know, bro. It's just like when you buy your shit, it's cool, but when you see your mom driving your shit, it's like, damn, bro. Like, she feel like her son really grinding type shit. So like, I don't know, man. It's gonna be a big accomplishment. It already was a big accomplishment buying the car, but nevertheless, just let my mom get to experience my accomplishments and let her know that she raised a good nigga, man. That shit hit right here. But I'm gonna try to convince her as much as I can to do a burnout, because obviously I have the 580, so I can do burnouts. So this, man, she did a burnout in all my other cars, so I'm gonna try to convince her to do a burnout in the Lambo, and we're gonna see how good she do, man. What the hell? What are you doing? Why you got all that extra stuff on?
I'm about to drive the Lambo. I have to look like I'm about to drive the Lambo.
What? Well, here you go. You ever drove a Lambo before?
No.
I assume so.
How do you do this?
It's an everyday car.
Can you get the gun? Oh. You gotta feel like you in a Lambo. Well, what's next?
Well, start the car.
You put your foot on the brake like a regular car?
Yeah.
Where's the push button?
It's right there.
Oh.
You gotta lift that up.
Push it?
Yeah, lift it up. Yeah.
Woo! Oh. What is that?
I'll just put it in sport mode.
Okay. Oh, you can't see nothing back there.
I mean, it's not really supposed to be seeing nothing, really.
You got to look out your... Okay, it's hot.
Oh, let me turn that off.
Okay. Now how we... Okay, this is park. I'm in park.
Yeah.
How do you put it in drive?
Yeah, I press that.
What?
Like, pull it.
This?
Yes.
This will put it in drive.
Yes. Alright, it's in drive.
It say 1.
Yeah. There's no drive. It's just number 1. It's just gears.
Okay. Is anybody coming?
No.
Okay. I'm a little nervous.
Do you want to go around the neighborhood first?
Mm-mm. Fuck that.
Alright.
We getting on the highway.
What? Alright.
Oh, okay.
The car downshift on its own, so don't be alarmed.
And what does that mean?
Like that.
That.
Yes. It do it on its own.
Okay. Let's see. Now I can do this. Is the car gonna shift?
Yeah, but you ain't really. So the whole thing of the car revs high, so it sounds like it needs to shift when it really doesn't have to shift. Like it'll shift it itself. It's not gonna blow itself up. You want gonna take that light right there?
Not in this. Scary.
What's so scary about it?
It makes you feel like you did something wrong.
No, you know when you did something wrong. The sounds be loud.
This is cool.
Yeah, it's not bad.
I could not drive this every day.
I mean, it has some.
And then I go to put my foot on the brake, and it's doing that. I'm not doing that.
I mean, I could turn that off, but
Why do you got that on me?
I don't know, because it's just like, that's how the car's supposed to be driven.
So it does that on sport? You got me on sport.
Yeah, it does that on sport. The one that says Strata, that's where it won't do it.
So why you didn't put me there?
Because who wants to drive in Strata? That's lame.
Oh.
chance to test that out yet.
Now, if I hit it, is it going to go sideways?
I don't think so, no.
Are you sure?
It shouldn't, no.
Nah, I can't chance it.
It's not gonna go sideways. It depends on how fast you're going.
No, I'm definitely not going to do too much. But if I hit it.
Yeah, like right now, we're going fast enough so where it won't. What the hell?
Shit.
It's spraying for it.
I didn't know. It was taking off like a rocket.
Yeah, like just floor it. It'll do fine now.
Oh my God.
That's not flooring it.
Shut up. I'm not. This is fast enough.
We're only doing the speed limit.
I got to get off. Which way I'm going?
I guess you can make the
You
loop.
can't even look.
How you can't look?
Is cars coming?
No, no cars are coming. You can get over.
Oh, how you put your signal on?
It's a button over there.
Oh, shit.
You can just get
It's too
over.
late now.
It's a button on the steering wheel.
And keep on jerking.
Are you feeling it?
No. No. Does the Urus drive better? Drive a little bit more momish?
Yes.
Okay.
It drives a lot more momish.
That's what I would rather do.
Ain't that your dream car?
Yeah.
Yeah, the Urus is definitely more
So
momish
get
for
this
sure.
video to 1 million views so I can get a Urus.
Yes. Definitely.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Woo!
You got a downshift.
Look at me.
So you know how you put it in drive?
Yeah.
That's the other one.
No, what's that?
It's nothing really.
I have to do that?
You don't have to, but I'm just saying do it.
No.
Why?
It's making I don't want it to be complicated.
That's not being complicated.
This dude right here, he's trying to keep up with me.
No. Yeah,
Look at him, he's on.
recording that shit.
It's kind of scary at the same time because you don't know what they're doing.
Yeah.
Whether they're trying to admire the car or whether they're trying to steal the car.
Yeah, or trying to rob you.
Yeah.
I get that every single time I do this.
Yeah. Because I didn't know his intentions until he drove by and he was like, oh.
Yeah, I never people be chasing me and shit. I don't never be knowing their intentions.
Yeah, it's kind of crazy. I don't think I could deal with that every day.
Yeah, I try not to drive it every day, but sometimes I don't be having an option.
Right. It's cool though.
That's why I need a track hog.
It's definitely a piece of machinery. Like,
You know that's a V6?
no.
Yeah, it is a V6.
No, it's not.
What is it then?
That's like a V12 or something.
How you know?
I hear you talk about it. Absolutely not a V6. I got a V6.
There are some fast V6s though.
I'm sure mine is fast.
What? I mean, I guess when I had my Honda and you had your Avalon, the purple one. Yeah, I think it was like the black one or something. Yeah, it was the purple one. I was like, damn, this bitch fast. And then I ended up driving the.
Well, your Honda was a 4-cylinder.
Yeah, but sometimes cylinders don't matter. But yeah, it wasn't 4-cylinder. It was slow.
That's crazy that it be doing that.
That's what it's supposed to do.
Now, what does that mean when it does that?
I mean, it's just...
What is it doing?
It's downshifting the transmission, so it's basically just bringing itself to a stop. But I mean, there's really no need for it to be aggressive. But I guess it's just to make the driver happy. Driver mods.
This is not a mom car at all.
I mean, if you don't have your kids with you, then it don't matter. If you by yourself, then it can definitely be a mom car.
I mean, it's not like, where would I put my groceries and my items when I go shopping?
I mean, they can fit.
You know, when I go
can't really
where's
fit.
the signal?
Right here. Click it to the left, to the right. Click it wherever you want to go.
It didn't work.
Yeah, the signal is right there, though.
They probably cussing me out because I didn't put it on.
That was turning too, though, so they had to stop anyway.
Yeah, I saw that. I'm nervous.
What? Why? Let me see. Yeah, you good. That was fair.
That's it.
That was fair, I guess. Hey, Italian. Big boy Italian. Cars, they're meant to be driven.
Did you mess your tire? Did I mess your tire?
No, you only spent the thing like 3 times.
Did you get smoke?
I did.
That's it.